Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with word problems. Generally, word problems are problems that are expressed in words. Word problems are problems expressed in words. Now, there are basically three categories of word problems. Basically, there are three categories of word problems. Such as word problems leading to simple equation. So this involves only one unknown. This simple equation involves only one unknown. For example, a man is S years now. A man is S years now. But 5 years ago, the man was maybe 40 years. Man was 40 years. A man is S years now. 5 years ago, the man was 40 years. So, how old is the man now? A man is S years at present. But 5 years ago, the man's chronological age was 40 years. A man is S years now. That is, a man is S years at present. But 5 years ago, the man's chronological age was 40. How old is the man now? How old is the man now? So in this case, we are going to form an equation. We are told the age of the man 5 years ago. So, solution. Now, the man's age 5 years ago was said to be 40. So, let S years be the present age of the man. Therefore, 5 years ago, he was 40 years. Therefore, forming an equation with this development, so we have S minus 5 years is equal to 40 years. So, removing years, we have S minus 5 is equal to 40. So this one is the simple equation. S minus 5 is the 40. Now, this equation has only one unknown because we know 40. We also know minus 5, but we don't know x. So x is the unknown. So this equation is the equation which involves word problem, but it is of simple equation because it involves one unknown. So from here we can solve for S. X minus 5 is equal to 40. Therefore, us, that is making us the subject. So us is equal to 40 plus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 45. Therefore, the present chronological age, chronological age of the man is 45 years. And really, if we could check 45 minus 5, this one is really 40. So this is an equation which involves one unknown, and it is to first index. The index is 1. That's why index of S here is 1. So that's why it's known as simple equation, and it is involved from a word, that's word problem. Thank you very much.